Our system just got breached, and this hidden string of code is our only way out. Step 1. Defining the payload and handling quotes. First, we need to store the hacker's raw message in Python. In Python, you can define strings using either single quotes or double quotes. However, when your string contains an apostrophe, wrapping the entire text in double quotes prevents syntax error and stops Python from getting confused. Step 2. Measuring length and formatting output. Next, let's calculate the length of the payload to estimate how much memory it uses. We use the built-in len function, which counts every single character including white space. To keep our terminal output clean and easy to read, we can use escape sequence like \n for a new line and \t for a tab space. Step 3. Extracting key characters. Time to pinpoint specific characters. In Python, positional indexing always starts at 0. That means the very first character lives at index position 0. What if you need the last character without counting the entire string? Python features reverse indexing, where negative numbers work backward -1 always targets the final character. Step 4. Extracting the secret key. Now, for the best part, extracting the hidden passkey buried in the middle of the string. To grab a chunk of text, we use a slicing. The syntax follows this structure: start, stop, step. Start, the starting index position. Stop, the ending index position. Step, the jump size between characters. Let's pull out the hidden keyword secret and reverse it using a negative step size. And there you have it. By mastering code rules, length, index position, and slicing, we successfully decoded the hacker's hidden key. If you found this project helpful, drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and let me know in the comments if your code ran smoothly. See you in the next video.